Young Sav. It's another hitter, I think. Damn, let me tell you something. Yeah, I really do love you. Damn, let me tell you something. Yeah, I really do trust you. Damn, let me tell you something. Yeah, I really do love you. Damn, let me tell you something. Yeah, I really do trust you, baby girl. I will trust you, and I do love you, and I'm faithful. So what the fuck? Why you gotta break my heart? Why you gotta throw it all in the fucking dark? Just tore it apart like it's nothing. I ain't even tripping cause you know I'm really something. Yeah, I'm a man in this fucking streets, just trying to make some money, trying to serve these fiends. What the fuck you mean you trying to get it, man? Yeah, you know me, I'm really fucking with it, man. I don't give a fuck, and you know I'm fucking beating it up in the streets, and you already know what's up. They call me SAVAGELOWK. Young Savage Loc, never play, always with an AK. What the fuck you mean? You got them chops and them SKS's. Yeah, I got the Glocks and put them to your chests. Put it to your chest now, put it to your chin, cause it's Smith & Wesson. Yeah, it's my best fucking friend, and I don't give a fuck till the end. If you fuck with Brenda, then I'm bringing out my friend, cause I don't play around. Brenda is my little low, she my little fucking lover, and I know fucking dope. What the fuck you mean? You trying to change the game? Yeah, my nigga, I'm trying to change the game. If she want me to do that, I'll put the fucking ring on it. Change the last name for her. Yeah, you know the game pub, but I ain't even tripping, cause I love the gang bang too. What the fuck you mean? You really repping for the crew? Hell yeah, you ready? Know what that shit do. Brenda, baby girl, yeah, I'm coming for you. Yeah, I love you, baby girl, I really trust you. So do you love me? Yeah, do you trust me? Yeah, I love you, baby girl, and I really trust you. So do you trust me, and do you love me? Wait a minute, let me tell you something about myself. Yeah, baby girl, I'm a real faithful nigga. I don't need no help, yeah, I'm coming for you. If you want me to too, I'm down for you. I ain't tripping, yeah, you know I put the crown on you. Yeah, baby girl, you know I bow down for you. Wait a minute, motherfuckers trying to trip on you. I ain't even tripping cause I got a fucking clip for them. Full clip, yeah, 30 fucking dick gon' put them in their spot, now these motherfuckers snitching. I ain't tripping cause I'm gon' do my time, baby. And while your ass is going in crying, baby, I'm gon' give you a kiss when you come see me. I ain't even tripping, motherfuckers try to beat me. Young Savage, but they can't be Savage Loc. Cause you know me, man, I really love to smoke. And I really miss you, yeah, young Brenda Loc. Brenda Love, yeah, you the one and only.